Why is a quarter of the world recycling their bottles and cans through a deposit return system? It's simple. It is the most efficient and most sustainable way to do it. And it works. But why is the same quarter of the world not allowed to return their bottles and cans crushed? Why are some perfectly eligible containers totally refused by the reverse vending machines? Why is it possible to cheat the system with fake barcodes that anyone can print at home? And why does the system need machines that are more expensive than cars? Yes, traditional deposit return systems work, but they create too many unnecessary obstacles for everyone involved. So what if there were an easier, more secure, and more affordable way to run a DRS? Well, there is. It's called Smart DRS, and it's changing the way we return bottles and cans. Smart DRS is based on 3 smart ideas. A unique container ID is a 2D code that gets printed or engraved on the cap and lid of every bottle and can. This code makes each container unique and, unlike barcode, impossible to return more than once, eliminating all potential fraud. As a side effect, it allows producers to eliminate country-specific barcodes, reducing their production costs. Simple but very effective. Transforming any production line into a smart production line allows beverage producers to track and trace every single bottle or aluminum can which they place on the market. They can make any container eligible or non-eligible for return through DRS in any country or even multiple countries. All thanks to the combination of unique IDs and high-speed scanners that turn any production line into a smart one in a few hours without any physical changes to the production line itself. It is a non-invasive, lean, and fully independent system. Smart Collection Point replaces the biggest bottleneck of traditional deposit return systems. Instead of relying on complex, space-intensive, and expensive reverse vending machines, Smart DRS uses a much simpler setup: a tablet, a scanner, a smart gate, and an AI camera. That is all. The scanner scans the code on the container. The smart gate protects the opening and only opens if the container is eligible for return. The camera proves the container handover, and the tablet handles the communication with consumers. As a bonus, anything can become a smart collection point. Yes, even a phone booth. All that's needed is one wall and one hole. They can also run on solar power, making them fully self-sufficient. No need for extra wiring or construction approvals. Simple, modular, secure, yet very affordable. So how does Smart DRS affect everyone involved? Producers pay lower industry fees because the system is cheaper. They don't need to produce beverages with national EAN codes anymore. They fully automate their volume placement reports for DRS operators. DRS operators eliminate all fraud. They make counting centers unnecessary. They get rid of all plastic bags at collection points thanks to the use of standard waste bins. They decrease handling fees because the collection points are cheaper to set up and operate. As a bonus, they have the most precise data they ever had. Retailers free up their retail and storage spaces since the smart collection point is very lean. More importantly, they free up their staff time. The staff only handles the replacements of full bins for empty ones. No manipulation with heavy plastic bags, no false fullness alarms, no scanner cleaning, no stuck containers. They focus on retail, not on waste. Consumers finally crush their bottles and cans as they always have. No more air storage and no more air transport. The return process is much faster and much less annoying, as the containers never come back from the machine for no apparent reason. The future of DRS is here. It's simpler, safer, and more affordable for all of us. The future is smart.